Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, I said good morning. Right, I hope you are all doing very well and you are energized for this morning's contest. I am super energized and I'm positive we would have an exciting and a very engaging competition this morning. I see ladies. Oh, so it's it's a ladies' affair this morning, but let's see how the day would go. So the quiz is organized, the 2025 Junior Science and Maths quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We would like to appreciate profoundly all our sponsors and our benefactors for coming on board to support us in various ways. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-Learning Center. We want to appreciate them for all our media and video coverages. To the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we appreciate you for all the venues you have been providing for us. To Dex Technologies, we thank you for always making our technology challenge round a reality, and it's always very engaging, challenging, and hands-on as well. And so at Dex Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. We want to appreciate our sponsors for this year's competition. The Ghana Grid Company Limited, popularly known as Gridco, they provide reliable electricity grid for development. We also want to appreciate MTN Stakeholders Management. And we all know that as for MTN, once you mention MTN, then there's a slogan which goes like, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, we want to thank you for providing us with juicy and very nice juices. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. We also want to appreciate our media partner, Kesben TV. We thank you for broadcasting all our programs all over the country. We are deeply grateful for the support and collaboration. Let me also use the opportunity to appreciate the heads of all the various schools who are present and competing in this particular contest. We say thank you, headmasters and headmistresses. We appreciate you for allowing your schools to register, importantly, and take part in this year's competition. They're amazing teachers. I call them coaches. They have been mentoring and guiding and coaching these gallant students to be able to represent their schools this morning. And to the students who are presenting their schools or representing their schools, in fact, the Gen Zs will say who are repping their schools. Thank you very much for representing your schools. And I know that your schools also appreciate you. The supporters, are you around? Are you around, supporters? Oh, I want to feel your energy. I want to feel your vibe. Do you want to clap or shout or exactly? That's more like it. Absolutely. Yeah. I know we'll have an exciting time, but remember, my name is Augustine Angelina Silverkin. I'm a professor of virology at the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology. I'm also a senior research fellow at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine, and I'll be your quiz mistress for this morning's contest. Remember that for the Junior Science and Maths quiz, our idea is to target people in the junior high schools so that right at the very basic level, they will be able to exhibit a simple understanding when it comes to the principles underlining the life sciences as well as the physical sciences. I'm sure the schools are ready. I mean, I've been saying a lot of things, but I'm sure it's really the quiz we are interested in. And so the schools, I'm sure you are ready and you are looking forward to an exciting quiz. So competing in this particular contest, we have 3 good schools, great schools. We have Greater Grace Christian Academy. We have Philip Kweku Girls Basic School, and then we also have Pedu MAA Basic School. Pedu MAA Basic School. So 3 schools, amazing schools, great schools. I did a short background checks on the schools, and we are really in for a true contest this morning. But contestants, we want to hear your voices. So may I ask you to mention your name and the grade or the level you find yourselves in. So let's start with Greater Grace Christian Academy, proudly represented by
Kumsin Amu Aye, Basic 9.
Well done. Please, a round of applause for Kumsin. We have the male here. And
Vasti Hansen, Basic 9.
Great. Please, a round of applause for Vasti. Then Philip Kwaku Girls Basic School is also proudly represented by
Larisha Coffee, Grade 9.
Great. And yes, please clap for her. Larisha. And
Eugenia Arthur, Grade 9.
Great, Eugenia. Please, a round of applause for Eugenia. And Pedu MAA Basic School is also proudly represented by
Sylvia Sumie Dinkra, Basic 9.
Great. A round of applause for Sylvia and
Esther Juase, Basic 9.
Great, Esther. A round of applause for Esther as well. And contestants, I see that your microphones are on, so please keep them on and don't turn them off until we are done with the contest. Contestants, you can see the buzzers in front of you. I need us, maybe we want to do a short buzzer check. So let's hear the sound from the buzzer from Greater Grace Christian Academy. Great. Philip Kwaku Girls. Great. And Pedu MA. Very good. Let's do it again. Pedu MA. Greater Grace. And Philip Kwaku Girls. Very good. So there will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, the fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3, the science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. But I will read, or I'll be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. And I always employ contestants that you always need to be paying attention whilst I go through the instructions. So we'll start with round 1, the fundamentals. So this round consists of questions in the areas of biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and ICT. If a student or a school answers a question correctly, 3 points will be awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. And in this case, the score for a bonus question is a point. And schools, you have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. And each school will have a maximum of 2, only 2 attempts for your main or your major questions, and 1 attempt for a bonus question. And like I said, bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for. You always need to ring your buzzer. If you fail to ring the buzzer, but you go ahead to provide even a correct answer, I will nullify that particular correct or wrong answer, which means that you will not score any point, even if you are right or the answer you have provided is correct. Dear competing schools, all the best wishes to all of you. So let's roll. The first question, contestants, I'll give you 40 seconds. There's a bit of calculations in here, and there's a preamble to all the schools. Please listen attentively. Apply ratios in physics problems. Apply ratios in physics problems. Greater Grace Christian Academy. 2 lamps are connected in parallel. If lamp A uses 40 watts and lamp B uses 60 watts, what is the ratio of their power consumption?
2 on 3.
That is correct. 3 points. Philip Kwaku girls. Philip Kwaku girls. The ratio of the masses of two bodies is 5:2. If the heavier body is 50 kilograms, what is the lighter one? Eugenia, go ahead.
20 watts.
Check again. As a bonus, greater grace. Oh, time up.
20 kilograms.
Okay, yeah, I think you rang it right on time. 20 kilograms is correct for a point. Dear contestants, you need to be paying attention. You need to be paying attention, all right? You need to be paying attention. Pedu MA, your main question. The pressure exerted by two liquids is in the ratio 3:4. If the smaller pressure is 30 pascals, what is the larger one?
Pascal.
That is correct for 3 points. Philip Kwaku girls. This time I'll give you 15 seconds. Contestants, 15 seconds. Philip Kwaku girls. How do female mosquitoes locate their host for a blood meal? Laurentia, Eugenia? Oh, bonus. They've been bailed out. Available as a bonus. Oh, time up. So we know that typically if there's carbon dioxide in the environment, if there's some heat from the body, and importantly, body odor, once the place smells, then definitely they are able to locate a host for a blood meal so they can bite and suck blood. That's how come when you leave your dirty and smelly socks around, you find a lot of mosquitoes hovering around your shoes or your socks once it is dirty. So something that we all need to learn. Pedu MA. What is the main function of the mosquito larvae's breathing siphon? So, Sylvia Esther. Oh, bonus. They've been timed up. Bonus. Bonus to any of the schools. Oh, time up. So the mosquitoes, listen, contestants, they need to breathe in oxygen. So once they find themselves right on the surface of the water, they will use their siphon to obtain atmospheric oxygen, because you find the larvae on the surface of water. All right? Okay, greater grace. How does overcrowding in breeding sites affect mosquito larval development? Vasti and Ayeyi. Oh, bonus. They've been timed out. Available. Oh, also, okay. So we need to do a lot of work on our biology. So we know that once there's overcrowding, obviously there will be competition. So a lot of the mosquitoes will compete for food, for other resources. And definitely once there's competition, it will slow down the rate at which they grow. Okay? And it happens all through life. Once you have a lot of people, definitely there will be competition for resources and food. So it will slow down the rate at which they grow. Right. The next set of questions, 15 seconds contestants. I'll start with Pedro MA. The force that exists in a pulled string is?
Frictional force.
No, but you still have another chance, another opportunity. Please come again. Oh, timed up. Bonus. Oh, it is known as tensional force. Tensional force. Okay. Greater grace. The property of water that causes mosquito larvae to float on it is known as?
Surface tension.
No, I won't give that as a correct. No, I will not. Do you want to come again? Okay, bonus. Oh, we know about buoyancy. Buoyancy is a property. I didn't ask for the force. I asked for a property. Okay, Philip Kwaku girls. Kerosene is able to reach the other end of a wick by? Is it Laurentia or Eugenia? Oh, they've been timed out. Bonus? Did someone ring the bell? Okay, time up. It is capillary action. You know, when you have kerosene in your lantel and the kerosene, you have a wick or a thread, you realize that the kerosene will be moving through the wick or the thread, and it is because of capillary action. Okay. The next set of questions, contestants, calculations. I'll give you 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I need you to calculate the following. Greater grace. The ratio of girls to boys in a club is I'll take it again. The ratio of girls to boys in a club is 5:4. If there are 45 girls, how many boys are there?
$180 all on 5.
No, that is not correct. You have another opportunity.
$55.
No, that is not correct. You've exhausted. Oh, time up. Bonus. Yes, Pedro.
36.
Yes, 36 is correct for a point. Well done. Philip Kalku girls. Your main question, Philip Kalku girls. A tank is filled with water and oil in the ratio of 3:1. If there are 60 liters of liquid in the tank, how much of it is water? Eugenia,
20 liters.
say again.
20 liters.
That is not correct. Okay, timed up. Yes, Pedu MA.
180 liters.
That is not correct. Oh, time up. 45 liters. I will not explain. 45 liters of water. 45 liters of water. Pedu MA. Your main question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. If their sum is 50, what are the two numbers?
25 plus 25.
That is not correct, but you have another chance. Check your calculations.
20 plus 30.
That is correct for 3 points. The next set of questions, I'll give you 15 seconds. Contestants, please pay attention. There's a long preamble. A student is working on a project using different applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on a computer. To work faster and switch between programs efficiently, she was encouraged by her teacher to use keyboard shortcuts. Provide the correct shortcut for each of the following tasks. I'll take it again. A student is working on a project using different applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on a computer. To work faster and switch between programs efficiently, she was encouraged by her teacher to use keyboard shortcuts. Provide the correct shortcut for each of the following tasks. Philip Kwaku girls. To minimize all windows and go to the desktop.
Control plus S.
That is not correct. You have another chance. Bonus, they've been timed up. Anyone who wants to attempt? Oh, it is Windows plus D. Windows plus D. And Lauricia and Eugenia, if it's your main question, there's no need to press the buzzer, okay? If it's your main question or your major question, if you are competing to answer, then you ring or you press the buzzer. Is that okay? Lauricia, Eugenia, is that okay? Perfect. Pedu MA. To lock the computer before stepping away.
ALT plus F4.
That is not correct, but you have another opportunity. Bonus. Okay, so it is Windows plus L. Windows plus L. Greater grace. To refresh a window or folder.
Windows plus R.
No, that is not correct. Oh, they've been timed up. A bonus. Yes, Pedu MA.
Windows plus E.
No, that is not correct. It is just F5. F5. F5, and then it will refresh your window or refresh your folder. Now, the next set of questions, contestants, I'll be making statements, and you are expected to state whether the statements are true or false. And these questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. So I'll start with Pedu MA. Pedu MA. Wireless fidelity or Wi-Fi makes it possible to connect to the internet without physical cables.
True.
That is true for 3 points. Greater grace. Greater grace. Wi-Fi and mobile data are exactly the same technology.
True.
Unfortunately, that's a false statement. Philip Kwaku girls. Wi-Fi provides internet access through cellular networks.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Greater grace. Friction is not useful in everyday life.
False.
Indeed, that's a false statement. Philip Kwaku girls. Friction can be increased by using lubricants.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Friction, you can't increase it by Pedu MA. Friction only occurs between solid surfaces.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Oh, and on that note, contestants, we have come to the end of round 1. I would love to appreciate all our sponsors. We thank them for coming on board, the KNUST e-learning, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Dex Technologies, Gridco, Ghana Grid Company Limited, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana Limited, and our media partner, Kesben TV. Let's check out on the scores. So at the end of round 1, Greater Grace Christian Academy has 7 points. Please clap for them. Philip Kwaku Girls Basic School, they do not have any points, so they have 0 points. Please clap for them. And Pedu MA Basic School, they have 10 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Congratulations to all the schools. Right, so we move straight to round 2. Round 2. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger, and here one question will be read out, and contestants, you are expected to compete to be the very first to answer the question. And here, a question carries a score of 4 good points, 4 points. And contestants, when you are ready to provide me, hopefully, with a correct answer, you need to press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. If you press the buzzer, or if you answer before you press the buzzer, I will disqualify your school from answering that particular question. So once you press the buzzer, you need to provide the answer in 3 seconds. And if a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer that particular question. The schools will have a maximum of only 1 attempt. Here, it's only 1 attempt to answer the question. And unfortunately, contestants over here, a wrong answer would attract a penalty of 1 point. 1 point. You don't want to move into the negatives, and you don't want to lose the marks you have. So please, be on guard. And dear contestants, best wishes to every single one of you. So because this is buzzer dependent, let's just do a short buzzer check. Can we hear the sound from the buzzer for Greater Grace? Very good. Pedu MA. Philip Kwaku Girls. Pedu MA. Philip Kwaku Girls. Greater Grace. Philip Kwaku Girls. Greater Grace. Oh, okay. I said Greater Grace. Greater Grace. And Pedu MA. Okay, right. So we move. The first one. Given the data set, given the data set 8, 9, 7, 6, 8, 10. What is the median of the... Okay, so we'll be back shortly. All right, so we are back. Sorry for the short break in transmission. It happens sometimes. So let's go through a short buzzer check to be sure everything is intact. So let's hear the sound from the buzzer for Philip Kwaku girls. Philip Kwaku girls. Your buzzer, please. Okay. University, I'm sorry, Pedu MA. Greater Grace. Okay, Greater Grace again. Pedu MA. Philip Kwaku girls. Okay, so let's start the fastest finger. I went through the instructions already. The first set, given the data set 8, 9, 7, 6, 8, 10, what is the median of the data set? Pedu MA.
6.5.
Minus 1. Bonus. I'm sorry, any other school? Greater Grace.
8.
Correct, 4 points. Next one. Next one. A material formed from the physical combination of 2 or more elements or substances is termed minus 1 plus 4. Oh, supporters, anyone who knows? A mixture. You combine 2 or more elements or substances, you definitely form a mixture. Okay, next one. In which farming system are crops planted in a specific sequence year after year? Yes, Philip Kwaku girls?
Sequential farming.
No, minus 1. Pedu MA.
Shifting cultivation.
Minus 1. Time up. It is crop rotation. Crop rotation. Okay, next one. Which instrument is used to measure time accurately? Really? It's a stopwatch or a clock. You use it to measure time. Wow. People are scared to get minus 1. Sometimes it's okay to get minus 1, isn't it? Okay, the next one. The egg cell and sperm cell fuse together to form a how? To form a zygote. You have an egg cell, you have a sperm cell. Put it together, they fuse, fertilization, and then you have a zygote. Okay, next one. This one is calculation. The area of a square is 81 centimeters squared. What is the perimeter of the square? So I won't go through how to calculate a perimeter of a square with you, but the correct answer is 36 centimeters. Okay, the last two sets. Which type of variable should a program use to store the name of students as text? Oh, it's a string. The very last one. The main folder where all other folders and files can be stored is called Pedu MA.
Documents.
-1. Oh, it's a directory. Directory or even root folder, because you store everything there. On that note, contestants, we have come to the end of round 2. We appreciate all our sponsors for coming on board to support us. Now the scores look very interesting. So round 2, I'll first provide the scores, contestants you made within the round, and then I will present the totals or the summation. So at the end of round 2, Greater Grace Academy, 4 points. Please clap for them. Philip Kwaku Girls, -1. Please clap for them. Pedu MA Basic School, -3. Please clap for them. Now let's hear the total. So at the end of round 2, Greater Grace Christian Academy has 11 points. Please, a round of applause for them. Philip Kwaku Girls Basic School, -1. Please clap for them. And Pedu MAA Basic School, 7 points. Please clap for them. So we will zoom in directly to round 3. Round 3 is the Science and Technology Challenge. And contestants here, one question will be given to all schools. And the question in this round will require contestants to perform a task, after which an assessment will be made. The score for this round is 10 points. The score for this round is 10 points. And contestants, I'll give you 10 minutes to complete the task. Remember, round 3 is powered by the DEX Science set. I'll go through the instructions with you, but before then, there's a substitution. So, Pedu MAA Basic School, Sylvia is leaving for Roland to come in. Sylvia, well done. Sylvia Somia, well done for representing your school. Okay, Roland, you're welcome. We need you to mention your full name and the grade or the level you are in.
My name is Roland Mateus Kuju. I'm in grade 9.
Right, please clap for Roland. So, contestants, for this particular round, we'll go for a short commercial break whilst our technical team provide you with the needed logistics to enable you execute this activity or the activity in this round. Okay, so I see that you have everything needed. So contestants, listen attentively. You have been provided with two resistors labeled R1 and R2, a 9-volt battery labeled BT1, two LEDs labeled D1 and D2, a switch labeled SW1. Okay, so we'll be back with you shortly. So it's a simple one, and you have been given the following student scores in a spreadsheet on the desktop of the laptop. You have laptops. Yes, I see laptops in front of you. So the laptops named student marks. You need to locate the file and complete the task as I would be going through. So the simple task is for you to rename the file with the name of your school. And then you need to compute each student's average score as their final marks using a formula. Then you need to arrange the students in their positions. So first, second, third, fourth, according to the average using a formula. Then I need you to use the Excel to find the highest and the lowest average score in the task, in the class. So it's a very simple one. And I'll give you 10 minutes to complete this particular task. Best wishes. Remember, this particular round is powered by the Dex Science set. And contestants, you may start now. Contestants, you have 3 more minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes to stop work. right. So, contestants and our cherished audience and our viewers, I have the results, the marked scripts of the various schools. So, Greater Grace Philip Kwaku Girls and Pedu MA. Philip Kwaku Girls, was it an interesting activity for you? Was it an interesting activity for you? Philip Kwaku Girls, was it interesting for you? How about Greater Grace? Greater Grace. Greater Grace. Okay, so we'll go for a short commercial break and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have the scores. And I won't even ask for their experiences. So I'll start with Greater Grace. So Greater Grace, we asked you to name the file. You did not do it, so that gives you 0 out of 1. And then the second thing we asked you to do, you were able to do it very well. Then task 3, we asked that you should arrange. You could not do it, so that gives you 0 out of 3. And then we also asked that you score for the highest and the lowest, which again you did not do. So it means that you get 3 out of 10. Please clap for them. Then Philip Kwaku girls. They were able to name the file, and again they were able to complete task 2. Similar to Greater Grace, task 3, they were not able to do the arrangement. Again, they were not able to solve for the highest and lowest. So which means that they would also get 4 out of 10. Please clap for Philip Kwaku girls. MAA Basic School. So they were able to name the file, well done. They were able to complete task 2, well done. They were able to do the arrangement, so that gives them 3 out of 3, well done. Unfortunately, they were not able to solve for the highest and lowest, which gives them 7 out of 10. Well done, KGMA, well done. And so at the end of round 3, Greater Grace 3 points, Philip Kwaku girls 4 points, and Pedu MAA Basic 7 points. But I'm sure you are interested in the totals. So let's look at the totals. And so at the end of round 3, we have just one more round to go. At the end of round 3, Greater Grace Christian Academy has 14 points. Please clap for them. Philip Kwaku Girls Basic School, 3 points. Please clap for them. And Pedu MAA Basic School, 14 points. So we move to round 4, the very last round. So if you have any action to do, this will be the action point, the main point for all your action. But before then, there's a substitution. Vasti from Greater Grace Christian Academy is leaving for Kingsford to step in. Well done, Vasti. Thank you very much for representing your school. I'm sure your school is very proud of you. Thank you so very much. Okay, so Kingsford, if you can change the name tag and then kindly introduce yourself. So if you can turn it, Kingsford. Yeah, turn the name tag. Very good. Oh, it's bright. It's bright. It's bright. Okay, Bright. Kindly introduce yourself by mentioning your full name and the level or the grade you are in.
Kingsford Atom, Basic 8.
Very good. Kingsford Basic 8. So we will go for a short commercial break whilst we work on the name tag, and we'll be back soon. Okay, so we start with round 4. Round 4 is the decoding the clues round, and here the question will be read out as a series of clues Contestants, if you answer a question on the first clue, 6 points will be awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. Third clue, 4 points. Fourth or any other clue, 3 points. Contestants, you are supposed to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Again, if you fail to press the buzzer before you answer the question, I will disqualify you from answering that question. And imagine if the answer is correct. Because this is buzzer dependent, contestants, let's do a short buzzer check. Greater Grace, can we hear the sound from your buzzer? Pedu MA. Philip Kwaku girls. Okay, we move. The first set. I move through space, but I'm not seen. I press on all, yet stay unseen. I climb a hill, then roll back down. You feel my pull, but see no crown. I hold you tight, feet on the ground. Greater Grace, Greater Grace.
Gravity.
That is correct. 3 points. Well done. Second set. Second set. We have only 4 sets here. One is gone. The second one. I am the set that contains no elements at all. My number of elements is 0. Greater Grace.
Announce it.
I will give it to you. Correct. 5 points. 5 points. The next one, the last but one. I'm sweet but unseen, a lifeline inside, powering life in a sugar-coated ride. Born in green leaves, I'm made with light. Greater Grace. Yet I travel your veins day and night. With 6 carbon atoms, I play my role. Pedu MA. I can't hear you. Glucose, correct. 4 points. 4 points. Contestants, you need to speak right into the microphone, okay? Right, the very last one, and then we'll be done. I'm made of gates, but none that swing. I choose a path with every ping. I speak in highs and whisper lows. A world of 1S and 0S I compose. I'm the tiny brain that leads the way. Last 2 clues. Processing logic every day. Last one. What am I? But I have another clue for you. Come take a guess. Without me, circuits are a mess. Who am I? Greater Grace. Greater Grace.
Connecting wire.
That is not correct. But you don't lose any mark. Time is up. Supporters, anyone who knows? It's a logic gate. Logic gate or logic circuit. And on that note, we have come to the end of round 4. And obviously to the end of the competition. Remember, the 2025 quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate all our sponsors for coming on board. We say thank you very much to the KNUST e-Learning Center. We appreciate you for all our media and video coverages. KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, thank you very much for providing us with amazing venues. Dex Technologies, you always make our technology challenge exciting and hands-on. At Dex Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Ghana Grid Company Limited, we thank you for coming on board, and at Ghana Grid Company, they provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, thank you very much, and at MTN, we say everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, Nestle, good life, good food, or good food, good life. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you very much for collaborating with us and for amplifying our reach and impact. At Kesben TV, we say Obia Bedidi. We also want to use the opportunity to thank the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board and every single person who supported in one way or the other. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for is here. So, in round 4, Greater Grace, they made 8 points. Philip Kwaku Girls, 0 points. Pedu MA, 4 points. Together, all together. And so, at the end of contest 1, day 2, for the regional contest for the Central Region Junior Science and Maths Quiz, now in ascending order, Philip Kwaku Girls Basic School, 3 points, 3 points. Please clap for them. Pedu MAA Basic School, 18 points. Please clap for them. And Greater Grace Christian Academy, 22 points. Clap for them. Well done. And unfortunately for Philip Kwaku Girls Basic School and Pedu MAA Basic School, this will be the end of the road in terms of the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz Regional Contest. Unfortunately, we need to say goodbye to you. Hopefully, you go back, reflect, and revise all your notes, and hopefully come back stronger and better in our 2026 quiz competition. Greater Grace Christian Academy, well done for emerging as winners for this particular competition. I don't know if you are coming to Kumasi, but I'm sure we will all get to know tomorrow. On that note, I declare you as the winners of this particular competition. So we also want to appreciate, please clap for them. It's a good place to clap for Greater Grace Christian Academy. We also want to appreciate the technical team, our sound team, audio, video, our photographers. We appreciate you very much. We also want to appreciate our drivers for giving us a smooth ride. And of course, I have been your quiz mistress, and my name is Augustina Angelina Silverkin, Professor of Virology at the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, and a Senior Research Fellow at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine. We look forward to seeing you during the next competition, which promises to be an exciting one. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.